this week on Channel Mum, they have asked me to do a really cool, fun, quick recipe for you guys. So today I'm going to be cooking chicken Alfredo. This is a Slimming World recipe and it's really easy. This is all the ingredients that you need. As a working mum of two, I don't have a lot of time to cook and prepare stuff, so I've actually cheated a little bit. The carrots are pre-cut, the cheese is pre-grated, the onion is pre-diced, and I've just got my husband to cut up the chicken, but there's also an easier way to cheat, and that is just to buy it frozen and diced. I've got the pasta bubbling away here behind me, and let's get started. I will pop the link down below so you guys can go and check it out, and also on Channel Mum they have a load more recipes. I'll put the link down for that as well. So I'm just going to pop a few spritz into the hot pan, and then I'm going to add the chicken. So now the chicken's browning off, I'm going to add my onion. I don't know why, but I don't like putting raw meat and vegetables together. I don't know why, it's just one of these things that I do. Now my pasta's half cooked, I'm just going to add my carrots into the water. They do actually say broccoli in the ingredients, but I prefer carrots and so do the children, so we just kind of modify it for them. So I'm now going to pop in my 4 cheese squares and my little chicken stock cube. In you go. Adding the cream cheese triangles will just give it that really creamy sauce. Okay, so this is a bit of a strange one, but I'm going to now add some of the pasta water in and then put the rest of the carrots and the pasta in as well. I'm now going to add the finishing touches, which is a whole bowl of cheese. They say Parmesan, but I'm just going to use regular cheddar because we didn't have any Parmesan. I just wish you guys could smell this, it smells amazing. Okay, so that's literally it. It's taken me all of 15 minutes, if that. Please let me know if you try this recipe. Go onto the Channel Mum website as well. So the only thing left to do is to have a taste test. Oh, I was going to say we should like feed each other romantically. Oh, I just already started. How is it?
Tastes nice.
Okay. Oh god, it's so creamy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to me and Channel Mum for free, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye ladies!